everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you why upgrading your bees is super important for the busy bee event in Grow a Garden. First, just go to the upgrade tree, this tree, and then just click on it. And then in here, you will see several upgrades that can make your event progress much faster. The first upgrade is bee capacity. The purple part like this. This bee capacity will increase the number of bees that you can place in your garden, and at the maximum level you can have up to 21 bees working for you at the same time. And then let's talk about extra honey coins like this. Upgrading this will give you more honey coins whenever your honey gets processed, and it will helping you earn event currency much faster. And then next, let's talk about the compressor capacity. This one which increase the storage limit of your honey machine, and max level it can hold up to 15 kilograms of honey before processing. And then another important upgrade is bee speed. This one, the green part. This is makes your bees pollinate plants faster, allowing you to collect honey more efficiently. And the last part is the compressor speed, which 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 reduces the processing time of your honey machine. When the upgraded, the process can take as little as 40 seconds. This one, the yellow part. So if you haven't upgraded your bees yet, just start working on these upgrades, and then just try to make them out as soon as possible, and they will make the busy bee event much easier to complete. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.